In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to return an item on Temu Canada. If you've ordered something from the Canadian version of Temu and need to send it back, the process is fairly simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the full return process from your order page all the way to mailing the package back with the prepaid shipping label. To begin, open the Canadian version of Temu.com and sign in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, go to the section called Your Orders. This is where you can see your recent purchases and find the specific order that contains the item you want to return. Take a moment to double check that you've selected the correct order, especially if you've placed more than one. When you find the order you want, look for the action link labeled Return or Refund. Click that link to start the return process. This will open the return request page where Temu lets you choose exactly which items from the order you're sending back. If the order contains multiple products, make sure you only select the ones you actually want to return. After selecting the items, you'll be asked to choose the reason for the return. Pick the option that best matches your situation. It's a good idea to answer this part carefully, since accurate return reasons can help the process go more smoothly. Depending on what you're returning, you may also want to make sure the item is packed securely and, if possible, placed back in its original packaging before you send it. Once you've completed those selections, Temu will generate a prepaid Canada Post return shipping label. Print that label clearly and make sure all parts of it are readable. If your printer settings are scaled incorrectly, barcodes or address details may not scan properly, so it's worth checking the printout before attaching it to the package. Next, place the return label on your package securely. Cover or remove any old shipping labels if they're still visible, since that can help avoid confusion during transit. After that, take the package to any local Canada Post retail location to mail it back. Because the label is prepaid, you generally won't need to pay for return postage at the counter. And that's it. Once your package has been mailed, you can keep an eye on your return status through your Temu order page. Following these steps carefully will help make sure your return is processed as smoothly as possible.